So, yung thumb at saka yung pointing finger nyo, hawak yung plate. Jessel, hold your plate. Nope. Yan. Tapos, yung pointing finger mo, kabilang side ng plate. Yan. Very good. Check the shape. Check the ends. Check 5 minutes. If you're not, you just have to inform me 5 minutes.
Chef, tapos na po.
Okay. For your cabbage, maganda yung length niya. Nipis lang. Your obliques are good. Your chiffonade, a little thinner. Your mince is good. Your slice, a little thinner also. Your onions are good. Your julienne of your onions is good. Your julienne and your fine julienne look good. Thanks, Jess.
Thank you,
Good job.
Chef.